What's happening, folks? All right, so you can see it's snowing. Went and got firewood this morning, and my tracks are covered. So it is hunting season, so I got the orange vest for the fuzzy monster, and it's reflective so I can find her at night. So I just wanted to give a quick tour of my camp. I decided that given the weather, there's no use in wasting wood to have an outdoor fire. The diesel furnace needs a new igniter, so it's smoking out the trailer, so it's just storage. So here's what we got going on. I got a full rack of wood. That's split and small for the stove and the tent. As you can see, I got the Teton Mesa put in a stove jack. What I've done is the canvas awning off of the trailer, tied it to a pop-up awning where I normally do my kitchen. I tied the porch from the Teton. Everything's tied in. I left the gap on purpose because I wanted to put the stove in here somewhere. And it's actually heating up this area pretty good. Warming up some chili on the stove, actually. This campsite had a picnic table. So there was about 3 inches of snow on it. As you can see, there's a pile of snow. And I've tarped everything in, and you're out of the wind, and the stove is putting off actually some decent heat in here. So I haven't set up the Cabela's kitchen yet, but I got the Coleman with the grill because that grill's the perfect size for the little oven. I got the toaster, the Blackstone, and a regular Coleman. Since I'm not doing the fire, I have a little propane grill that I'll put together later so I can cook my steaks or whatever. But this is how we were rolling this year. I'm up here for bear and deer. So I'll give you a tour of the tent so you can see how this is working. The Teton's got plenty of room. So as you walk in the front door, I got the stove put out over there so it's away from the walls. It's angling up just right, and there's room to dry your boots and everything over there. Little table for my stuff. My cot. In case anybody stops in, I have another cot set up. It's currently my dresser. And I get a dog for the bed. Nice Cabela's fold-up dog bed. And she slept either right there next to it or right there next to my sandals. So I guess I'll be putting the bed away. But I just wanted to show you guys what's going on and how this is going to work for the next week or so.